The ultimate Vianys Bunny Pal review, tutorial from 0 to pro in 1 minute. If you're looking for a fun companion toy, most people get this wrong by choosing items that lack durability or charm. The surprising truth about Vianys Bunny Pal is that it combines soft, huggable materials with interactive features, making it a perfect friend for kids or collectors. First, check the design. You won't believe how adorable and well crafted it is. Soft fabric, stitch details, and a friendly expression create an instantly lovable toy. Next, explore interactive features. Most people get this wrong by assuming it's just a plush. Vianys Bunny Pal may include sound effects, movement, or textures that enhance play and engagement. Look at safety and durability. The surprising truth is that it's built to last. Child-safe materials and reinforced stitching ensure that it withstands regular play without compromising quality. Finally, rate user reviews. You won't believe how positive feedback is. Families and collectors highlight its comfort, entertainment value, and emotional connection, making it a recommended choice for gifting. In conclusion, Vianys Bunny Pal can take you from 0 to pro in selecting the perfect plush companion. By examining design, interactive features, durability, and user experiences, you make an informed decision that delivers joy, comfort, and lasting quality. This Bunny Pal is more than a toy, it's a trusted friend.